where y'all at? Let's talk about the good news of the day. So with a lot of the stuff that I've been reading on Marshallese history and piecing together why we are now, okay? Why we are the way we are now, you have to look into our literal history from what happened less than 200 years ago. And this Nitijela Building burning down, is that not obvious? Is it not obvious? The whole situation, God is moving things around. Me learning, like I'm not even religious, you know. I'm not religious, but seeing how we are and how we've been treating each other and mistreating each other and taking things from each other. Yeah, this Nitijela Building burning down. I think that's more prophetic than anything else. It's not. It's the Nitijela Building burning down is not. It's not just a random thing that happened, okay? There's a spiritual significance behind this ugly building burning down. How many years has it been since all these politicians have been utilizing this government system to keep their positions? Okay? People always ask me, because what? Because they have black magic, right? Because there is black magic in the Nitijela, I'll say that. I'm not scared of no black magic because God is on my side. They use black magic to continue to keep what they have, but that's it. No matter how hard you try, everything that sits in the dark is always and forever going to come to light. Okay? So for this building to burn down at a time like this, honey, that's not it was not, that obviously is not a doesn't seem like it was naturally an electrical issue. Because the thing about it, me learning the history of the Marshall Islands and our actual political history, we were at war with each other before we even decided to team up with the colonizers. You know, we were at war with each other long before we decided to team up with the outsiders. Because when we teamed up with the outsiders, that was a war tactic gone wrong. Okay? We didn't mean for all of our whole entire culture to be erased, okay? That was just, we were just trying to keep control of certain things that we were taking from each other. So, I look at this, the burning down of the Nitijela Building, that is very symbolic, okay? It's very symbolic. Because it's the tear down of corruption. Point blank, period. And I don't know. I'm not scared to speak out about things like this, because things like this actually genuinely piss me off right here. It pisses me off in the heart, because it's not right. And so that's how I feel. Because y'all are going to see my video that I posted on my page, and then you guys are going to come on my page to find this right here. You find this. So I don't agree. As much as everybody's like, oh, the Nitijela Building burned down. Oh, so sad, so sad. Is it sad? Are we really sad? I'm not sad. I'm sorry. There's a little bit of joy and lightness in my heart. Over this whole burning down situation. Because money and politics don't mix. Because when it's money, we teach, or not teach, we treat people in high positions with respect, right? We, money than politics. But when it's politics is when you debate, you have disagreements, You pick and choose who you feel is qualified enough to lead the community / help the community, right? But whenever you treat it like it's money, when you treat politics like it's money, that is literally why it is the way it is now. Because politics, like for example, whenever our first female president, right? Whenever she was president, I was around people that had opposing opinions about, they disagreed with certain things that she did, which is politics. That's how politics is. But the people that were listening to what this person was saying, listening to his disagreements, they treated it like, the person was cursing God. Like that's ass backwards. Money and politics do not mix, and this is exactly why everything is the way it is now. Okay, because they utilize politics to break the money in the first place in the last war of relic. So all these wannabe, like genuine wannabe American political system. That's what we are. Rumajo. Okay, Rumajo and the community of Marshallese people, they're very wannabe political American system. So when we do corrupt things to each other, we forget that we have our own spirits. We have our own ancestors. We have our own. And we piss them off. Okay, we piss them off because we forgot about them. So not only did we forget our roots, we're trying to implement all these systems into our culture that puts us in a situation to screw each other over. Okay? So y'all need to pay attention. God is moving. God is moving things around. Okay, God is moving things around because there's been a lot of corruption. There's been a lot of people in high positions screwing over people that can't do anything for themselves. The same people that are supposed to be helping us are the same people that are utilizing their resources to screw us over and keep us where we're at. Okay, so this whole Nitijela building burning down, I'm happy about it. I'm glad nobody got hurt. But that politics and money don't mix. Okay? Politics and money don't mix. And that's that. That's why I feel how I feel about it. I'm sorry if I'm the only person that's celebrating the burning down of this damn building. But this damn building is where a lot of the corruption takes place. So, y'all, like nobody wants to talk about it. Of course. Of freaking course. That's why last year I said, I'll take one for the team. You guys don't want to speak up about nothing? I'll do it. I don't give a damn if everybody wants to pile on me and get on me because I'm still going to stand my ground. I'll take one for the team. All this Nitijela building burning down shit, it's a blessing. It's a blessing to the community, okay? Amen. And I'm not chakar, very chakar. I don't care how close we're related. Because one thing you know about me, I hold my own family accountable. If my own family is not doing right, I'm not going to agree with it just because we're family. Period. Okay? So, I just wanted to make it clear. When y'all see my video in the Reels section making its rounds, and you click my page and you come and find this video, this is how I feel. This is how I genuinely feel about the Marshallese government. Okay? Period. That's it. That's all. And I'm going to continue to say what I say. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I ain't scared of shit. Not even black magic. Thank you. Bye-bye.